So hello friends, in today's tutorial we are going to see how to turn off desktop bottom right and action center notification in Windows 11. So go for it. First option, open setting or search for setting in the Windows search bar and click on it. In the left hand pane, click on systems and then select notification. To complete disable all notification, simply click on the toggle switch under notification to turn it off. If you prefer to keep some notification enabled, click on expand notification option. Here you can customize which apps and features are allowed to send notifications on. Now configuring do not disturb option. So for this, toggle the do not disturb switch on or off as needed. If the do not disturb is enabled, you can choose to allow priority notification through. Click on the turn on do not disturb automatically to set schedule for when do not disturb should be active, or you can define specific start and end times. We can explore additional settings with the help of such focus assistant and other notification settings.